originally we did look at, I guess we never really wanted a project home. We saw a lot of project homes because they are readily available to go and visit, as opposed to driving past someone's place and saying, oh, that place looks nice.
Yes.
I wonder what it looks like inside. So I guess it's fair to say we were influenced with ideas from project homes, but we found very quickly with project home builders that what you see in the display home is way out of reach for what it was for us in terms of budget, because all of the products are high end, and when you actually come to planning and building and choosing your materials, you have to make a decision based on how much they're going to cost. So what you might really love might be unaffordable. Yeah, well, essentially we sat down with Joe and talked about what our vision was, what we loved, and it seemed Joe had a lot of experience with, he was able to draw on ideas and his own experience of to kind of consolidate what it was we were trying to achieve. And then he used the aid of just even doing little visual drawings for us, little quick sketches, so that we knew we were on the same page with what it was that we were looking at. Everything ran smoothly. I mean, there were a couple of little hiccups, but we got through them. We have a lot of windows, and I found that for things that for myself and my partner that we were really passionate about, we just kept pressing those, and we found, we got what we wanted in the end, because we compromised with how much, if you want an extra window, it's going to cost this much extra. So we balanced that knowledge of this is what you want, this is how much it will eventually cost, and try to get what we wanted in that way.
Get the outcome you wanted.
Get the outcome, yeah. So, it wasn't all pie in the sky. We want, a spiral staircase. We want this and that, but without knowing that, that's going to cost top dollar. So, we were able to strike that balance between what we wanted and what we got.